So I'm going to talk about the house of quality, mostly about how you can draw it and what represents what. So this is what it looks like. There's a roof. It kind of looks like a house. That's why it's called the house of quality. Uh, so in the first column, okay, over here is what the customer wants. Basically, what the customer wants is represented here, and here are the control factors, or what is the cost of what the customers want, and then there's a graph. So the customers will write according to the importance, and the first column is the importance. So as for the first column, uh, you just write how important which part is, like from over here, the ones that we're actually asking to be demanded. So this is just what they're gonna fill up, these parts, and you can add the numbers up here according to the importance, like whatever the importance mark is. For the rest, you add them up here. The importance overall has not to be added. And then over here up to the roof is basically the relations of overall. So each of the lines has a cross section, and they have a relation over here. So let's say for extremely important is a cross mark or a multiplication mark. For the next one is plus, minus, and the division sign. So highly, as for highly positive, which means if you increase one aspect, the other one will automatically increase, which means they're totally related to each other. And as for just positive, it means that it will partially increase but it will not totally increase. And as for highly negative, means it's not totally related. For example, quantity of milk and the weight of the chocolate are totally related. And what did I put here? So one example has been done here, like the weight and size. If you increase the weight, the size will automatically increase. So a cross goes there because it's totally related. So yeah, that's about all from the house of quality. And there are several versions of this, and some have more columns, some have less columns of this. So we have a competitor column over here, so it represents what the competitors are doing and about that. And as for an overview, this part quite simple, QFD, and that is customer satisfaction. So that's about all, and that's the house of quality.